Hi everybody, it's Aki and I am coming at y'all with a new video on how I moisturize my hair, a very well needed update on my moisture routine. So let's hop right into this video. Alright y'all, so I have my mirror right in front of me so I can see, but I'm going to tell you exactly what I do and show you exactly what I do, okay? So first and foremost, we need to hydrate our hair before we start to try and seal in moisture. So what I've learned is that my hair likes distilled water and my hair also likes aloe vera juice, okay? So I have some distilled water probably to about halfway, and then I have aloe vera juice probably like 1/4 of the way. And then I also learned that I just like to put one oil in here, and the one oil that I have in here is olive oil. So it's a moisturizing oil. I don't like to put the sealing oil inside of this mixture. I like to use it afterwards, okay? So I spray my hair with this. So before you even start to, you know, just feel around in your hair, you need to make sure that your nails are groomed. Okay, you need to make sure that your nails are groomed. If you need a fill in, or if it's lifting, or if you have like any cracks in your nails, you need to make sure you have on gloves, okay? But for me, I keep my nails groomed pretty well because I like to feel my hair and feel, you know, is it getting what it needs? So it's best if, you know, you can use your hands, but if you cannot, please do not try and go into your locks with raggedy nails because it will snag and pull your hair, okay? So I just go through and examine, pulling off anything I see. Shake your locks out. Shake the day out that you've had. Okay, so next I am going to go ahead and spray my hair. So this is a like going on 2-week-old retwist that I have in my hair, right? So I don't really care about getting my roots wet, but if you do have a new retwist in your, you know, and you don't want to spray your roots or whatever, just hold it like this and cover your roots, and now you're just spraying the ends. But for me, I don't really care. I want to show my roots some TLC as well. So I'm going to start with the first section right here. Okay, I'm going to start with this bad boy right here. And we're going to first start with the ends. Give it a good shake. And we're going to first start with the ends. That's the oldest part of your hair, okay? And one mistake that I've made in my early stages of having locks is that when I would moisturize my hair, every single time, I would spray the living crap out of my hair. Like, I would drench my hair with water. And that's not good, especially if they're trying to like form. So that contributed to, you know, a lot of the problems that I was having, because I thought that you had to like really moisturize some things. But this right here is the motion that we want to be using, okay? And like I said, I like to use my hands so that I can feel where, you know, if it's needing more water, okay? And you see that I'm squeezing it in. So remember when we were loose naturals and we would go like this to get the product in? Now that we're locked, we have to squeeze. That's the movement, baby. Squeezing. And I already feel like the moisture just, I feel my locks telling me thank you. And as you can see, y'all, from the retwist that I done on myself, there is still frizz, but it's very minimal. And my locks are still separated at the root. So I can't wait to show y'all that routine. Also find you a water bottle that gives you like an even mist. That's another thing. I see people using like spray bottles that just don't really evenly get it on your hair, and I'm like, how are you making sure it's getting everywhere? Like, it just got on 1 or 2 locks. That ain't fair to all your other locks, baby. Alright. Next, y'all. I go in with the Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer. I use the light oil moisturizer because I'm very active and I sweat a lot. So heavy oils and sweat, I don't think that's the good combination. And I don't want to clog up my hair follicles. I just go in, y'all. Honestly, I have no like method for this. Feel where I need to get it, because then after I do this, I'm gonna go back in and then I'm gonna massage it. Something wrong. Why am I like this? I'm gonna massage it in my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna hire me a personal hair masseuse. I just love when people rubbing my hair. Not everybody now. I don't like everybody hands in my hair. I'm real big on, you know, transferring energies and all of that. I don't need nobody transferring their bad spirit on me, mess around my head and my mind. But yeah, this is when you just massage and just really relax, unwind, have you some music on, get you a little steam thing that spray out lavender and tea tree. Next, y'all, this is so unprofessional for me. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. All right, next I'm using the castor oil from Now Solutions. I don't put this in my mixture. I don't put this in a mixture that I spray because it is super thick, y'all, like me. This stuff is real thick like me, and I don't want to put it, I want to put it on my hair after I put the moisture in it so that it can seal that moisture in. It's a preference. I guess you could put it in your hair, your water, but I'm not. Put some in my hand, and with this, y'all, you really have to emulsify. Is that the word? Emulsify. I use the regular castor oil because their Jamaican black castor oil is overrated. This oil do just fine. And y'all see how I'm putting it on my hair? Just be careful. If you got frizz, just be careful not to make your hair even more frizzy. After I do this stuff, y'all, we done. We done. We done. We finished. Yeah. This is why I love having locks, because like this is all I have to do. And do a little bit of this and this and then this, and I'm good to go. Sign me up. Sign me up. That's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got some tips for my new moisture routine. If you incorporate something different into your routine that you think could benefit me and my friends, please comment down below and let me know. Alright, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.